What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today we're going to continue working on the BMW F10 535i M Sport, and the next upgrade we're going to be working on is the front mount intercooler. The front intercooler on these cars are pretty compact, and we got a new one that has the it's going to have a little more surface area, a little more flow, and it'll help us go to stage 2, which we can move up to on the MHD tune once we install the intercooler. So now let's start with unboxing what we have. We got the VRSF Intercooler. Hey Al, you want to grab this and put this over there? Yeah, a lot of these parts have been waiting to go on. We're finally starting to get stuff done. You want to put it in the back of the car so we can pull it, open it up? Alright guys, so let's unbox this real quick. It comes with a stencil if you want to spray the front of the intercooler with the logo. What else we got here? We got a couple of stickers. And let's see if we can open this up. I mean, it looks like it's really well packed. Ah, there we go. Right to it. Comes with some hardware for the install. Pretty straightforward. And the actual intercooler, I want to stand it up so we can see it. As you can see, it's a little thicker in the back so that we can clear the front bar and some of the other parts in the front of the motor. Looks good. Pretty simple. I mean, we're not going crazy here. Let's start taking out the OEM intercooler and get ready to install this. Alright guys, we got to get this under tray off so we can see where this intercooler sits. You know that turning this out?
I'm looking for your impact gun.
I don't know where that is, but the just give me the regular ratcheting one. I don't know what the impact gun is.
What do I do with the ratchet?
It should be up by the wheel.
Oh, okay.
And let's look for, I think it's a 10. Let's try 10 first.
Yeah, I think your gun is upstairs.
Nope, smaller than a 10.
Smaller than 10?
This is a 10?
Should be.
Yeah, it's a 10. Why are you going all the way over there? I'm telling him, give me the ratcheting one. He ain't giving me the ratcheting one.
Here's the 8.
Yeah, it's an 8. You want to give me the electric gun? It's by the back of the wheel on the other side. Thank you. Can you get me the... I had the long star bits in there. The Torx. Yes. Let me just get that. So we're gonna remove this T25, it looks like, on each side. I think that's what the new intercooler needs to stick to. So take those out. Two of those. Oh, fish cake. This person must live by the beach.
Lost that?
Yep. So if you see in there, I don't know if you can see that. There's a clip there that disconnects the tube from the intercooler. So we're gonna have to pop those up and try to disconnect them. This is where it gets a little bit tricky, because I think they're supposed to go upwards, possibly. We'll see. We're working on getting the intercooler pipe on. There's a spring on the intercooler pipe that you need to pull on each side so that it doesn't click back in, that Al's working on right now, trying to get. Sometimes you have to push the tube into the intercooler and then back out. Yeah, I think that's all you have to. They said that's all that comes out, not much. It looks like you got it pretty close.
You think so?
It looked like it was coming out of the intercooler just now.
Oh, that's what I got on the other side, right?
Yeah, like if you look here, it's hard to see there, but that's what it's supposed to look like. Like, try to push the
Yeah,
pipe
that should
back.
be out.
Yeah, it looks like it's out.
That should be it.
Can you push the intercooler pipe back?
So, yeah, it's coming off.
All right, be
Now,
careful with the plastic.
Is it connected to this somehow?
Yeah, you see, like it slides in there. You have to push it forward and then down through that gap. But we have to get this off first.
Okay, you need a pry bar?
No, I think if you stick your hand, let me stick my hand.
Yeah, right.
No, the other side, through here, and then grab the pipe itself and pull back.
Good luck on that.
Okay, let me put you guys there. Let's say stick your hand through here. And then.
I mean, it moved.
You can't push on the edge of the pipe from that side?
Yes, I can. Hold on, this clip is still
Think it's still in?
giving us some. There you go.
It looks like it's
Oh,
out.
yeah.
Like, I see it moving.
It's definitely moving.
Look, is this side on?
Yeah, but it can't be. It gotta go more than that, right?
Yeah.
You can't get more than that. There's a groove there. I got it off the groove from where the clip is, but now how do you get it off? I can't even get my hand through this side unless you take that out. But then I don't even know if I can reach my hand in. You said you could reach in from here?
Yeah. Well, I could get like this.
Oh, that came off.
Okay. There we go.
Okay. All right.
So that's one side off. We just gotta be careful with that one. We're taking
Yeah, with
it.
the hose.
Oh, see, look, it's already coming out.
Oh, it comes straight down.
Yeah.
Okay, so that side gotta start coming
So
down.
I need your help on that. So you can see there. Let me turn you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. So we got the spring here. We pulled it down. Now we just gotta find a way to move it back out from inside the intercooler.
Well, that's got a rubber thing, so it should come back, right?
Well, I guess that's from the turbo side, so that's the hot side. That's the cold side going up
Okay.
to the intake. So yeah, so we gotta try to pull on that.
You want to use a
I mean, we
screwdriver?
can try to get in through that side. We'll see. All right, guys, just hold on.
Careful.
Yeah, this is a very tight fit. I don't know how we're gonna.
Stupid. I don't even know how you can get the other one in.
Yeah, that's gonna be a pain.
You gotta be kidding me. This is insane.
This is. Just be careful.
You sure nothing on top's holding it?
No, they said nothing else is holding it.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's just the 2 screws and that thing is the only thing that holds it in. And then the new one is those little brackets. They screw into where the plastic used to be.
Okay. I'm like, what's digging in the back of my head? It's all these damn screws. All right.
We'll move them back some.
All right, it's okay. I'm a little lower than your side.
Lower them on. Oh my god, there's tons of bugs.
That's bug fruit.
Okay.
Jesus, look how much bugs on top.
Oh my god.
That's a lot of bugs.
I mean the
Move your, watch your eyes.
Alright guys, so just so you can see the difference between the stock one, this has these plastic end tanks that are known for cracking, and then we have the new one, which is a lot bigger. We have the little extra piece to go around, a little thicker core, but looks pretty good. Now we can try getting it on. Alright guys, so we got the intercooler in, but we are running into some issues. As you can see, it is going up and touching, you know, holding in the fan, the fan shroud, but I think it needs to go in a little more. If you look at this bracket is, I feel it's way off. Al says we can make it work, but only one screw we were able to get in at the bottom. This thing is way too long, unless on the older cars the intercooler came down more, and that's why. But as it is now, we're gonna have to make some adjustments. This, I would probably want to cut this off here, and we're gonna have to drill another hole somewhere up here so that we can get the 2 screws into there. I feel like this needs to be a sharper bend. Like, this isn't a full 90. I feel like it needs to be bent a little more, and it's a tad bit off. So I think we might need to move it, maybe move the intercooler more forward, because if you see here, I have it set up like the original one, where it goes over this little flap here, if you can see. So it's over that flap. I don't know if we're supposed to bring it more forward and have it sit more where that space is. Because if that's the case, then we'll see what's going on. But we are gonna modify this, so I think we're gonna stop here for now. I mean, in the video it'll just start back up once we modify these, but we we're gonna have to modify it on both sides because both sides are the same. We were able to clip in the piping, which is great. I don't know if you can see here. So we got those in. The intercooler, it was very hard to get this intercooler in, if you haven't noticed. But definitely a lot more to get done. Alright guys, I just wanted to show the finish mount that I did for the intercooler. I reused the angle brackets. I just needed to bend them more to fit better, and I cut off the extra and I re-drilled some holes, and I changed up the hardware just because I feel like the other ones were kind of long and I didn't want to put any spacers or anything in it. So I like it. I think it worked out pretty good on both sides, as you can see there and there. And that pretty much wraps up the intercooler install. Guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.